how to check apps installed date on your phone. So if you want to check apps install date on your phone, then just watch this video. The very first thing that you're going to do is open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to make sure that you've logged into your account on your Play Store. And once you've logged in, you need to just simply tap on You, which will be in the bottom, or just simply go with Profile, which will be in the top right, and then tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Now here you need to go with Manage, which will be on the right side, and here you will have all of the applications, the installed applications, and when they were updated last time. From here, you'll only be able to see the last update. But in order to see when the app was installed, you'll have to install an app for that, which is App Info or Store Info. If you download this application, then you can just simply open it and you'll be able to know which app was downloaded when or how many times it has been downloaded. So that's how you can check apps installed date on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.